How can you take an image of your whole web page on the iPhone? I'm going to actually show you like two methods so you can get the most out of it either way. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so at first, make sure that the web page is opened through Safari, the web browser, and you get inside and you need to just capture the screenshot the regular way. So you press the volume up alongside the power button on the other side. So you press it at the same time, you capture the screenshot, but you don't let it disappear, but tap it in the bottom left corner so it shows up in this full screen view. And you switch it from the screen only to the full page. And that turns the screenshot into a scrolling one, meaning that it's going to be like a very long, either PDF or photo, but it's going to contain the entire web page. So that might be something that you want to do. Keep in mind, however, that some images or elements of the website may not be fully loaded. So make sure that you scroll through the entire web page before you actually capture the screenshot so it gets, all of the elements loaded up and it can be saved that way and fully. So that is the first method. On the other hand, you can also just be browsing your website normally, and instead of capturing the screenshot, you are going to click the three dots for more options and proceed to the sharing methods. So when you click on share, click on more once again and look for the print option. So we're not actually going to print it physically, but in this print mode, we can tap on the share icon again, and you can see that that website is also turned into a PDF document. So, it's going to put it into this standard printing paper orientation or layout. So it might actually look a little bit different. Perhaps the screenshot method is a bit better, but at least you have a backup solution as well. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.